Good morning students. Now we are going to learn revision for online test 2. So first one, find the value of x. So this angle is a adjacent angle triangles. So first solution, this one is adjacent angle triangles. So adjacent angle triangle is a 180 degree. Sum of all the angles added to 180 degree. Sum of angles at a point is 180 degree. Angle is 180 degree. So add all the angles. 2x plus x plus x plus 30 degree plus 3x minus 32 degree. Sum of all the angle is 180 degree. Then next, arrange the variables. 2x plus x plus x plus 3x plus 30 degree minus 32 degree equal to 180 degree. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7x. 7x plus 30 minus 32 minus 2 degree equal to 180 degree. So minus 2 transpose to plus 2 in the right hand side. So 7x is equal to 180 degree plus 2. So 7x is equal to 182 degree. So x multiply transpose to division. 182 divided by 7. So 7 2s are 14. Then next 6. X equal to 26 degree. Okay. So record angles 2x degree. So 2x equal to 2 into 26 degree. So totally 52 degree. 226 are 52 degree. Then next x equal to 26 degree. Okay. Then next 3x plus 30 degree. So x value x plus 30 degree equal to 26 degree plus 30 degree equal to 56 degree. Okay. Then next 3x minus 32 degree equal to 3 into 26 minus 32 degree. Then next 26 3s are 72. So 72 minus 32, sorry 78. 78 minus 32, 46 degree. So we get the value is 52 degree, 26 degree, 56 degree, 46 degree. All the angles are added. We get the value is 180 degree. Sum of the angle is 180 degree. That is we get the value. Okay. So first one, vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So this one is 30 degree. Then vertically opposite angles are 30 degree. So B equal to 30 degree. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Then next is then next find the value of C. This one is adjacent angle triangles. This is adjacent angle triangles. So C plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree. So C is equal to 180 degree plus 30 degree transpose to minus 30 degree. 180 degree minus 30 degree 150 degree. So C equal to 150 degree. So C equal to 150 degree. There is a vertical opposite angles also here 150 degree. A equal to 150 degree. So vertical opposite angles are equal. So this side is a vertical opposite angles are equal. That value is a B equal to 30 degree. So this one is a 150 degree. Then vertical opposite angles are 150 degree. So value is a 150 degree. Okay. Do you understand? Yes. Then next, same method of a pattern, find the value of p. Find the value of p. Okay, so this is a vertical, same method, first method, see the first method, vertically opposite angles, same method is a vertically opposite angles. So this side is a vertically opposite angles are equal, and this side is also a vertically opposite angles are equal. So 3p equal to 102 degree. So vertically opposite angles are equal. Angles are equal. So p equal to 102 degree divided by 3. So cancel it. 3 3s are 9, remaining 1 4. So p equal to 34 degree. P equal to 34 degree. Okay. Find the angle ABC in the adjoining figure. So this is one is a AB. So this is a corresponding angle, F-shaped angle. Okay. So F-shaped angle is a corresponding angle. So this is a corresponding angles, F-shaped angles. So corresponding angles are equal. So solution. So this angle is equal, and this one also equal. That is a corresponding angle. So 2x minus 40 degree equal to x plus 45 degree. So 2x minus x equal to 45 degree plus 40 degree, minus 40 degree transposed to plus 40 degree. So 2x minus x, 3x. 3x equal to 85 degree. Sorry, 2 minus x, 2 minus 1 x. So x equal to 85 degree. X equal to 85 degree. Then next, angle ABC equal to x plus 45 degree. X plus 45 degree equal to x value is 85 degree plus 45 degree. Then we get a value 130 degree. Angle ABC equal to 130 degree. Next one is a 2x minus 40 degree. So this one is a corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Angles are equal. Okay. Then next one is a 2x minus 40 degree equal to 2 into x value is 85 degree minus 40 degree. So 170 degree. 170 degree minus 40 degree. We get a value 170 minus 40, 130 degree. So angle ABC is 130 degree and 130 degree. So corresponding angles are equal. That is corresponding angles are equal. That angles are equal. So this one is 130 degree and that one is also 130 degree. Do you understand? The three angles given in the figure form a straight angle. Okay, so that is adjacent angle triangle 60 degree x 45 degree. Sum of the angle is 180 degree. Sum of the angle is 180 degree. Sum of the angle is 180 degree. So add all the angles. 60 degree plus x plus 45 degree equal to 180 degree. So 45 degree plus x plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree. So 45 plus 60 105 degree. So x plus 105 degree equal to 180 degree. So plus 105 degree transposed to minus 105 degree. So x equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree, x equal to 75 degree. X equal to 75 degree. So find the value of x equal to 75 degree. Okay. Then next, find the value of p. Find the value of p. So already you know that already we studied. So 3p equal to 102 degree. So vertically opposite angles are equal. 3p equal to 102 degree. 3 is multiply and transpose to division. 102 degree divided by 3. So cancel it. P equal to 34 degree. 3 3s are 9. Remaining 1. 4 3s are 12. So p equal to 34 degree. Do you understand? Okay. Next method. Then next, find x and then angle CBA. Angle CBA. Okay. So that is a 5x. This one is a 7x. Sum of the two angle is 180 degree. Sum of the two angles 180 degree. 5x plus 7x equal to 180 degree. 5x plus 7x equal to 180 degree. So 12x equal to 180 degree. So 12 multiply transpose to division. 12 180 degree divided by 12, x equal to, so 12 cancel by 180 degree, we get a value 15 degree. So angle CBA 7x equal to 7 into 15 degree, we get a value 105 degree. Then next 5x. 5x equal to 5 into 15, we get a value 75 degree. Okay. So we get a value. First one is 105 degree. Second value is 75 degree. Add the two values. We get a value is 180 degree. Okay. Then next, find the value of then triangle 50 degree, 70 degree, x degree. 50 degree plus 70 degree plus x degree equal to, so sum of the three angles on first one is the sum of the two angles 180 degree. So second one is the sum of the two angles 180 degree. 50 degree plus 70 degree plus x degree equal to 180 degree. So 70 plus 50 120 degree. 70 plus 50 120 degree plus x degree plus 120 degree transpose to minus 120 degree. So x equal to 60 degree. Do you understand? Okay. So sum of the three angles 180 degree and sum of the two angles also here 180 degree. In the figure, L is parallel to M. Find the measures of angle A. Okay. So draw P parallel to L. P is parallel to L. Okay. So that is a extended line. This one is extended line. P is parallel to L. So then next, angle 1 equal to 100 degree. Angle 1. So this one is a 100 degree. So sum of the two angles 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 equal to 180 degree plus 100 degree transpose to minus 100 degree. So 180 degree minus 100, 80 degree. Angle 1 equal to 80 degree. Then next angle 2. So 2 plus 115 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle 2 equal to 180 degree minus 115 degree. We get a value angle 2 equal to 65 degree. So angle 1 value is 80 degree. Angle 2 value is 65 degree. Then next, angle 1 plus angle A plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree. So find the value of angle A. Okay. So angle 1 value is 80 degree. Angle A value you find. So plus 65 degree equal to 180 degree. 80 plus 65 degree 145 degree plus angle A equal to 180 degree plus 145 degree transpose to minus 145 degree. Angle A equal to 180 minus 145, 35 degree. So angle A equal to 35 degree. Okay. Find angle AOC and then angle AOB. Okay. Then Z shape angle. Z shape angle. So Z shape angle means this side is equal and this side is also equal. So Z shape means this shape. Okay, so alternative angles are equal. So 3x minus 5 degree equal to 2x plus 19 degree. So 3x minus 2x equal to minus 5 transpose to plus 5. So 19 plus 5 24. So 3 minus 2 1. So 1x equal to 24 degree. So angle AOC 2x plus 19 degree equal to 2 into 24 plus 19. So 2 24s are 48. 48 plus 19 67 degree. Okay, then angle AOB. A AOB. Okay, so this side is a O. So angle AOB. So 180 degree minus 67 degree. So 180 degree minus 67 degree subtracted, we get a value 113 degree. So x value is a 24 degree and angle AOB is a 113. The next angle 1 plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree. So that is a corresponding interior angles. Interior angles are equal. So that is a interior angles. So angle 1 plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree. So plus 60 degree transpose to minus 60 degree. So 180 degree minus 60 degree, angle 1 equal to 120 degree. So interior angles are equal. That is a angle 1 plus angle 60 degree. Okay, so angle 1 plus angle 60 degree equal to 180 degree. So plus 60 degree transpose to minus 60 degree. So 180 degree minus 60 degree, angle 1 equal to 120 degree. Then next, same method of angle of interior angles, opposite interior angles are equal. X plus 80 degree. X plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree. Plus 80 degree transpose to minus 80 degree. So 180 degree minus 80 degree. 180 minus 80, 100. So x equal to 100 degree. Find x. Okay. Then next, so triangle 86 degree 3x. So 3x minus x equal to 180 degree minus 86 degree. 2x. So 3 minus 1, 2x. So 2x 180 minus 86, 94. So 94. So 2 multiply transpose to division. So 94 by 2. So cancel it. We get a value 47 2s are 94. So x equal to 47 degree. That is a x. Find the x variable is a 47 degree. So 3x minus x equal to 180 degree. Sum of the adjacent angle is 180 degree minus 86 degree. 2x equal to 94 degree. So x is equal to 94 divided by 2. So 47 2s are 94 degree. So x equal to 47 degree. Find the value of x. 54 degree, 4x degree, 42 degree. Okay. So sum of the three angles is 34 degree. So solution, sum of the three angles is 180 degree. So 4x degree, 42 degree plus 54 degree equal to 180 degree. Then next 4x degree plus 42 plus 54, 2 plus 4 6, 9, 96 degree, 180 degree. Then next 4x degree plus 96 degree transpose to minus 96. So 180 degree minus 96 degree. So subtracted 84 degree. So 4x degree equal to 84 degree. Okay. Then next x is multiply goes to division. So transpose to division, x equal to 84 divided by 4. So cancel it. 21 4s are x equal to 21. So 21 4s are 84 degree. Okay. So x equal to 21D. Geometry. Construct a triangle. Okay, construct a triangle ABC with AB equal to 7 centimeter. Then next B2C 5 centimeter. B2C 5 centimeter. Sorry, B2C 5 centimeter. So first we cut B2C 5 centimeter. Then next A2C 6 centimeter. Then next join B2C. Then next join A2C and B2C. A to B 7 centimeter. B to C 5 centimeter and A to C 6 centimeter. Then we have a triangle. Okay. Say student, all the best. Thank you. If you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me. Thank you. Prepare well for the exam.